Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see the Minecraft chat logs in just a few seconds. Checking the logs is very important and useful if you lost a message or you want to remember anything, and it's very easy, so let's begin. The first thing we're gonna do is pressing Windows R, then here this window will pop up and you need to type percentage app data percentage, then click OK. And this will appear. You need to go to .minecraft. Once you're here, you will see the logs folder, and you will see all the logs that you have in your PC, and they are sorted by date, so you can access them much easier. And if you open Minecraft more than once in the same day, for example, like this, it will save with different names. As you can see, it's the same date, but it's split in different folders. And if you want to find the latest logs, you can scroll down to the bottom and you will see the latest file. It's important to know that this file will be created once you close Minecraft. So if you want to get the latest chat log, make sure to close Minecraft first. Then you can open it and you will see, well, this is useless information basically, but you will see the chat log right here. This is a chat log from a server, so it has a lot of weird things, but yeah, you can basically see all the messages from anyone, and you can also press Ctrl F to find a specific message. For example, if you want to find a message from a specific user, you can do it. Or I don't know, if you want to search for a specific word or anything, you can do it. So that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.